Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up Hey Siri on iPhone 16. To set it up, go to Settings, then go to Siri, then Talk to Siri, and you can set it to add either Siri or Hey Siri or just Hey Siri. I'm gonna set it to both. Then when I click on continue, I'll need to say 5 phrases that are shown on the screen. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Then tap on done, and now whenever you say Hey Siri, it opens Siri. So let's ask it, Hey Siri, how's the weather in Kraków? And it gives me the answer right away. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.